Hi everybody, we're almost to the holidays, and who doesn't want an easy peasy way to improve their health? So we're going to give you 6 easy things to do every day. So the first point is get yourself some REDOX. REDOX helps your cells in your body jump to a higher state of function, so your body wants to fix and repair itself like you did when you were a young child. The second thing you want to do is hydrate properly. I drink filtered water with a 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic sea salt and 32 ounces. 80% of medical issues can be greatly improved with proper hydration. The next point is nutrition. Are you eating different colored fresh foods? Simply try to eliminate processed food, sugars, fast food. And the next point is exercise. You just have to move every day. Sitting is the new smoking. It's not good for you. So moving, you don't have to run a marathon. How about just park a little farther away from someplace and walk a few more steps? And the next point is breathing. Do you know how to properly breathe so you can get oxygen into your body, into your lungs, into the back of your stomach? I highly recommend Pilates. They help you do this. It's eye-opening how we can't breathe properly. And the 6th point is sleep. 7.5 hours is ideal to get into all your cycles of sleep. The sun comes up, boom, you wake up and you get your day going. This is Nancy Rubin Sharff giving you 6 points to cellular health. A senior LPGA player who is so excited she can still compete again as I'm aging and I feel better. Let's do this.